In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in Planner 5D. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner5d.com. So from in there, you can see these options to sign up or to sign in. So for this case, just sign up if you don't have an account. But if you already have one yet, proceed to click onto this sign in option that we can see right here. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me proceed to sign in. Now let's do that. Now here is my actual plan. So as you can see, I'll make some changes right here and it will change. So the great thing about Planner 5D is that it's actually an online tool, and you can see that this one, when you change some things, this one will load right here based on the changes that we have. So this loading right here means that it's automatically saving. So in there, you just need to be connected to the Wi-Fi, and once you're connected to it, you can actually save it or auto save it right here in order to make things possible. So for this case, just make sure to actually make some changes and auto save it. You can also hover to your other projects, and any changes that you made will be automatically saved into that. Just proceed to open any project that you want, and then any changes that you make for that as well will be changed. So as of right now, there's no button to save it because it's only an auto save feature. So in there, just make sure to actually make these options right here. And then if you actually make some changes, proceed to actually save it and make sure that you're connected to the internet in order to save it usually. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions as well, make sure to comment.